y'all, I'm Kim. Welcome to my channel, Kim's Farmhouse Life. Today we are going to be doing a whole house clean with me. I'm going to be tackling my kitchen, dining room, coffee bar area, living room, bathrooms, and my bedroom. So I hope that y'all will stick around, and I hope that you will get some cleaning motivation. So for now, let's get started in this kitchen, unloading the dishwasher.
If you want to talk, I'm right here, not gonna leave your side. Just feel free to open up when the moment's right. Across your face, it is written across your face. If you want to go out, we can go out. You can hide away just for one night. But if you want to cry, just let it out. I'm by your side now. Just hold on a bit more, 'cause
And today's video is going to be sponsored by Teami. I'm going to be showing you some Teami tea in just 1 second. I'm going to be making some of this Teami Bloom tea. It's a lightly sweet tea. I'm just going to take a tablespoon of this and add it to hot water, and I'll let it steep for about 3 to 5 minutes. This tea actually has blueberry, dried roselle, dried roses, lemongrass, black tea, dried pineapple. And so anyways, I'm going to make some of this up, and I'll show you how I do it. The little cup that they gave me is really neat. I never noticed that down there. Down here you could keep some extra tea, I guess. Okay, the lid comes off here. And then it also has a little strainer here to keep you from drinking the actual tea leaves. And then it comes into 2 parts here. This is the part, of course, that you're going to put your water in. Okay, so I'm going to take a tablespoon of the tea. And look at this, y'all. It has actual little roses in there. Let's see. A good scoop of it. Can y'all see the little rose in there? That is so cute. Look, it's a rose. But anyways, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take and go over here to my Keurig. I'm going to put that under there. And I just do the large, which I believe is around 8 ounces or so. And I'm going to let that brew. And so, y'all, now I've got it all, the hot water in there. And you can see it will start to open up the flowers and everything. And here is what you'll put in so when you're ready to drink, you don't drink those up. So I'm going to let this set for about 5 minutes, and then it'll be ready to go. I will be honest with you, I'm not a hot tea drinker, so this has taken me a little while to acquire a taste for it. If you are a tea drinker, I think this would be like a hot tea drinker. I think this would be great. As for me, I grew up here in the South where you drink sweet iced tea, so this is a little bit different for me, but it's not bad. It's very good, and they also have lots of other flavors. They even have the Teami Skinny Tea, which I've never tried either, but I have heard a lot of people talk about how good it is. So anyways, if y'all are interested in ordering the Teami tea, I will have a link with a coupon code down below in the description box. So there you go. Thank y'all so much for listening to me give my review of the Teami tea. Now we're going to move on, and I'm putting everything away into all the cabinets. And so, yeah, that's what we're going to do.
I know it did you wrong, wish I could take your pain away, 'cause I hate seeing tears streaming down your face. I know you're strong, won't feel this way for long, no. If you wanna go out, we can go out. We can hide away just for one night. But if you wanna cry, just let it out. I'm by your side now. Just hold on a bit more, 'cause I know you only see the rain, not the rainbow.
In case you're new to my channel, I just thought I'd tell y'all a little bit about myself. I'm a stay-at-home mom. I have 3 children. I have my oldest is 14 in the 9th grade. My middle one is my daughter. She's 11 in the 6th grade. And my youngest is my son. He just turned 10 and he's in the 4th grade. I enjoy doing YouTube. I post every Friday at 8 a.m. Central Time of what's for dinner, and then I try to include a cleaning video once a week, and I will do grocery hauls, not every week, but I try to do them at least a couple times a month. And I just recently posted a vlog, so if you'd like to check that out, I would appreciate it. And I'm thinking of doing more vlogs. We really enjoyed doing that. So anyways, I just thought I'd let y'all know a little bit about myself.
Can we work it out? Only time will tell. It's gonna take a lot, 'cause we've been through hell. I can't be without you. I've tried and I failed. So can we work it out?
Y'all, I hate cleaning out the refrigerator. Not because I hate doing it, it's because I hate everything that I throw out. I feel like we waste a lot of food. My family, for some reason, does not like to eat leftovers. And there you see, I put my Teami tea, by the way, in the refrigerator, and it did help some to cool it off. I just like cold tea better than hot tea. But anyways, I don't mind cleaning out the refrigerator, but I hate when I have to throw away a bunch of stuff because we didn't eat it and it went bad.
Can we work it out? Only time will tell. It's gonna take a lot, 'cause we've been through hell. I can't be with...
Okay, y'all, now I am making my actual sweet tea. We like to use the Lipton gallon-sized tea bags. I put it over here, bring it to a boil, and then we mix it up with 1.5 cups of sugar, and that is the best way, y'all.
Think of no others. Yeah, I need you to breathe. Without you, I'm lost. I'm lost, yeah. What is on your mind? I think it's time to speak. I have crossed the line, but no, not just me. I'm feeling something that goes beyond us. Us. Can we work it out? Only time will tell. It's gonna take a lot, 'cause we've been through hell. I can't be without you. I've tried and I failed. So can we work it out? Yeah. Only time will tell. Only time will tell.
This is the one area of our kitchen that always seems to get cluttered. This is where the mail piles up. This is where my husband puts all of his stuff, and the kids set stuff there. So I feel like I'm constantly picking this area up. Do y'all have areas in your house like that?
Just me. I'm feeling something that goes beyond us. Us. Can we work it out? Only time will tell. It's gonna take a lot, 'cause we've been through hell. I can't be without you. I've tried and I failed. So can we work it out? Yeah. Only time will tell. Ooh, only time will tell. Ooh, tell. Ooh.
rolling out of bed, and I still got you in my head from all those pretty words you said. It's like I'm wasted. Every time I see your face, I'm losing track of time and space. I don't know where I am. It's like I'm wasted, and I won't waste it. And I promise that I will stand by you forever. I can't get you out of my mind. I will follow you wherever, and I won't waste it.
Well, we like to use blankets when we're watching TV, and so my living room, y'all, always looks messy. And it's not really dirty, it's just all these blankets and pillows that we pull out and use make it look so much more messier. I know I'm not the only one who does that. And then I love to come in the living room, sit down, watch TV, and fold laundry, and I will even have all my hangers and we'll hang the laundry and lay it around the living room. Once I'm done, then I have all my piles and I go and put it away.
I will follow you wherever, and I won't waste it. I'll follow you, yeah, I won't waste it. 'Cause no one makes me feel like you do. You make me reckless. Yeah, no one makes me feel like you do. I promise that I will stand by you forever, and I won't waste this.
The way I do my laundry is I take all of the clothes that need to be folded and I throw those in the basket. Anything that needs to be hung up, I hang over the side of the dryer door. That way, once I get everything into the basket, I lay those on top so that if I don't get them put away right away, at least they're not going to get wrinkled.
Follow you, yeah, I won't waste this.
When you're down and you stare out your window, hoping that you'll come up with some words to say. That's not okay. When you feel like you're fed up with heartbreak, and you know that you can't take another day. Well, that's not okay. We can never go back this road, you never go back that way. I see you standing in the corner like it's okay. Don't you know that you move with your body? Don't you know that you move with your body? We can never go back this road, we can never go back that way. I see you standing in the corner like it's okay. Don't you know that you move with your body? Don't you know that you move with your body?
You probably noticed I've changed out of the pajama pants. I decided I was getting too hot, plus I would throw them in the laundry and go ahead and wash them. So now I've got all my leggings more comfortable. So I'm finishing up in here in the living room. I didn't have too much to do. I just decided to clean this table off and yeah, and do a little dusting.
I am here with my friends and we're dancing. We can feel all the obstacles go away. That's how we play. We can never go back
This coffee bar area of my house is my favorite thing. It makes me the happiest. And y'all, I was too lazy to pull out my vacuum, so I'm over here sweeping. I have a rainbow vacuum. I know I've mentioned it before, but I hate pulling that thing out and filling it up with water. It does a great job, but on this particular day, I just decided to sweep.
Do it all with you by my side. If you're in, meet me here tonight. Be brave and come along. I'll be alright. Promise we don't need no brake lights.
I love the kids' bathroom. I love the style of it. It took me a while to figure out how I wanted to decorate in here, and I finally found the shower curtain and all the accessories, and it just all came together. So I really just love this bathroom.
In the open wild, catch a glimpse of Panama. We don't need a map.
I know I'm in my bathroom. I'm not really doing any deep cleaning or anything in here. The toilet was cleaned yesterday, so I'm just kind of wiping off the counters and the sinks. And you will notice that I did not mop in this video. I ended up coming along the next day and mopping. I ran out of time, had to go get my kids from school. Thank y'all so much for watching today's video. I hope that y'all got some inspiration to get up and clean, some motivation. If you like videos like that, please hit the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.
We can travel the world, so just say yes.